Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So I have a new subscription to my channel. It is called Scent-A-Bration. And if you want to know, I have 2 boxes. And they are 2 different boxes. So you want to know what's in them? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my video and its content, please hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So, still having my eye problems, so please forgive me. So I found this subscription on Rena's channel from Boxes and Deals, and they were having a great offer. You can get both these boxes for, I think I don't know if I paid like $17 or something, some ridiculous amount for both boxes. So I ordered them. Now they do come like a month behind. So like now we're in April. So if you pay in April, you're getting your box in June. So just keep that in mind. And Amy is the owner of this company. And she just grew so big that she's moving into her own warehouse. And I think she's moved, but during the move, it was just a lot for her. So I had not received my box and my order renewed, and I was fine with it. So you have to check out her website because she has some great deals. Sometimes she offers 50% off, and you can just shop her store. And so I'm so excited to get into it. Now there's the wax melt edition, which I'm gonna open now. So you can get this and the other box I'm gonna open, and a card just for me. So let's check it out. Now, as I said, it was kind of, because she was doing this move, things just kind of, you know, no big deal. And she just apologized, you know, for the move, and so she sent me a personalized note, and that's always nice. And then this is the wax melt edition, and there is a card on here. So these in this box are just going to be for your wax warmers, but it's just such a little box and wrapped very nice. And the thing about it is you can smell this like outside the box. And oh my goodness. And this is Cactus Jade. Okay, did she name this for me? Oh my goodness. And I'm not gonna unwrap it, but look at how beautiful this is. And how appropriate that it's named for my favorite item. Blackberry Sage. And on top of this, what a great gift. I mean, we're going away for 4 or 5 days, and we're staying at a friend's house. She's got a beautiful home with a pool, I might add, on the other side of town. And what a great housewarming present. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. And now, of course, I'm not going to give her all of this, but you know, maybe a couple. Dandelion pear. Oh, I wish you guys could smell. I know when I watch people and they unbox perfumes or candles, it's like, really? Let me just come over. And then we got bourbon, sea salt, and teak wood. Oh, it looks like a vanilla Reese's peanut butter cup. And there's one more, spooky punch. Now I got this in the box that I won from Clara. But you can smell all the different flavors. But look at this nice box, and it's got purple foozles. So this was just the wax melts. So if you just wanted to order wax melts, you could. Then this one includes candles, and I believe there's 2 candles in this box, and it's very heavy. And there's another card. I just love getting cards. Thank you for being the best part of this box, Amy. So she's got the Wixwaxcandle and then the Scent-A-Bration. And there's all sorts of notes in here. Now, of course, with my bad eyes, I'm not going to be able to read it. But she's got, you know, everything in here. So these are just great boxes. And the theme of this month's box is a visit to Grandma's house. So, and it's wrapped very nice. So, like when you go to Grandma's, the smells, like probably the cookies, and there's the wax melts, and we have, we have, I've been getting a lot of these. One's buttered popcorn, which I know what it smells like, and one is just buttered. See if I can smell the difference. I don't know if I can smell the difference, but I have been smelling the buttered popcorn like all day. And then we have the baby powder, and I received the baby powder before. And then reason this box is so heavy is there's 2 of these candles in here, and I can't remember, are they 12 ounce? Oh, it's scissors time. Oh gosh, I buried my scissors. Okay, I buried my scissors. Give me a second, because I'm obviously going to tear this box apart. This is maple pecan waffle, and I can't remember what size these were, but look at the jar, and then I think these are reusable. Oh, it smells like fudge. So we got this one, and oh my goodness. I don't know how she keeps up with this. Obviously she's got helpers, because there's no way one person can do this. So again, I will leave the link, and I think I have a discount code for like 10% off, but if you go to her website, she has all sorts of deals, probably anything better than a discount code I can give you. Oh my goodness, chocolate chip cookies. All right, she needs to actually send the food product along with the candles. Oh my goodness. What are you supposed to have, like coffee or something you sniff between smells? Oh. So just to recap, in this monthly subscription, you received 2 of these, the 2 wax melts, and actually I think 3 wax melts, because we got the little bag and then the popcorn, which I'm definitely gonna burn. And then I got the wax melt subscription with all those different wax melts. And I think the first time, I don't know, maybe I paid 20 something, whatever it was a great deal. But the price of the subscription, the regular price, was $34. And then I signed up because I think there was a 50% off. I got an email and it said 50% off. I'm like, no way. And I jumped on that. So for $17, guaranteed, I'm gonna get this box. So if you're into candles and into wax melts, this is the way to go. So Amy, thank you so much. You did an awesome job. Customer service is a 5-star. I mean, when it comes to customer service, which is important for people that get subscription boxes, I give Amy a 5-star. So thank you so much for stopping by, spending some time with me, and you guys have an awesome day. Don't forget to hit that the subscribe button and the like button, and we'll see you next video.